Hi, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I actually just got done working out, and I see that the portfolio is down way more than when I first saw it in the morning. It looked like as soon as the market opened up at 6:30, around 6:30, it just went straight down, basically, boom, 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 all the way down. Um, Even my puts, they're losing value. I could have waited a little bit. I didn't think that the market would go down a lot, or at least mostly my stocks are down. All of my stocks are down. Jesus Christ, except for Ethereum. I think Ethereum was at a good price to get some in the morning or yesterday at nighttime, and now it's bouncing back. Might see some more lower lows. Looks like if you look at the long term chart. Remember, I am a freaking noob at this. I am no financial advisor, no expert. Do your own due diligence. Do not copy anything that I do, because I am a noob at this. But for me, I think if I had the money, if I wasn't so much high on margin, I would totally be buying some Ethereum. My goal, I want to get 10 Ethereum coins. I have 2 of them, 8 more to go. And right now, it looks like it's a good time to buy. But for me, right now, I have one goal, and only goal that I have right now, and I plan to accomplish it as fast as possible, is to lower my margin all the way down. Lower it all the way freaking down. I'm at 16,900. I was about 22,000, so we're lowering it slowly over time. One way I'm planning on lowering it is by using the margin I have right now and selling puts, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And I'm doing it with Tattooed Chef, and probably going to start doing it with Tilray and Corsair Gaming at MP Materials. I'm interested in doing CCIV and Palantir. So see if we can find CCIV. There we go, CCIV. I plan on I plan on doing it with CCIV whenever my Tattooed Chef ones expire, and I can get the whole premium of, how much do I get? Of about 316. So $316 for the month is pretty god dang good using margin. And I'm not even really using the margin. It's just used as collateral. See option collateral. So it's not even doesn't even count towards my margin use. That's why it's only 16,937. Because if it did count for my margin use, then that 16,937 would be added to the 10 would be with the 10,500, which would be well over $27,000. And that would only happen if my Tattooed Chef puts do get under 1750. If Tattooed does go under 1750, I will have to buy 600 shares of Tattooed Chef at 1750. I think there's a low probability of it actually happening. I mean, it could go down to 1750, but even if it does, I wouldn't mind owning it, and after that I would sell some calls if my puts do get executed, so I will be able to make some more income from that and lower down my margin. And then whenever Tattoo Chef decides to go back up, I'll make a little bit of money from it, and my margin will keep going down slowly over time. That's the goal. And once my margin is down to where I think it's nice, I think under 10,000 or around 10,000 would be pretty good, then I could start buying shares whenever I see the opportunity to do so. Let's just say if I did have under 10,000 margin right now, I would have bought maybe some Neo. I would have bought a little bit of Neo because I feel like I have such a high position in Neo already. I would buy a lot of Tattooed Chef. I would buy a lot of Corsair. I would buy some Tilray. I think Tilray at 14 is a better buy. 15 is too expensive. I can see it going down to 14, 13 if this continues. I think at $14 is a pretty good deal, considering that it's probably the lowest it's been in a while. $13. We haven't seen $13 since May. Around May. And even before that, when's the last time we've seen 13? Last time we've seen 13 was at the beginning of this year. So it's been about 6-7 months since we really seen $13. And I think that's a pretty good deal. Tilray long term I think is a good play, especially when the United States decides to legalize cannabis. I think that's a good play. But right now, I really want to get some more in Tattooed Chef, Corsair. I want to get some more Ethereum. Tattooed Chef, Corsair, and Ethereum are main buys. Then after that, I would like to get Shopify up. And I'm only doing this in terms of equity. Once I get a Tattoo Chef, a Corsair up, MP up maybe, I'm done with Dropbox. Dropbox has gone up. Unless it starts going down to below 25 bucks, then I'll probably buy again. But Dropbox, I feel that it went up pretty fast whenever I bought it. Like I'm up 45% on it. And this is considered a boring stock. Like if all my stocks would be boring, whew, I would not complain, man. 45%, that's pretty good. Let's look at my total percentage change. See, like 45% up in Dropbox, 36% up in Tesla. See, I'm down on Corsair. I would like to get more in Tattooed Chef. Tilray, you really can't see my total gain, but my average cost of Afria whenever they merged was under $7. So I'm well over doubled up my position in this one. So right now I'm just holding. Whenever I see Tilray going up a lot, I'll probably start selling some call options on it. I'm just gonna hold it. I think once the United States legalizes it, we're gonna start seeing Tilray going up more and more and more. I probably won't buy it unless I get all my positions higher than Tilray. Then I'm gonna be like, oh, I need to buy some Tilray just to get it up in terms of equity compared to my other positions. But yeah, you see, I'm up 30% Shopify, 15%. I'm only really down on Corsair and Neo. And Corsair, like I said, I want to get Tattoo Chef Corsair up as one of my top positions, up there with Shopify and Neo. That's my main goal. Ethereum, same thing. These three, I want to get a really big position in it. Compared to my Neo, right now, Neo, it's 40% equity. So I would like to get Tattoo Chef and Corsair up to maybe 10,000, maybe 5,000 first. 5,000 first until Tattoo Chef and Corsair. And I want to get Ethereum up also. So that's what I really want to do. Same, if I see CCIV and Palantir going down some more, I'll sell some puts. And if it gets executed, that's how I start my position. I'll get 100 shares of those babies in. But like I said, main goal right now, bring my margin down just in case there is a huge drop, a correction in the market. But only thing that we're really seeing is in the stock market dropping is growth plays, growth stocks like the ones I have. All my stocks are growth stocks, and you see big beasts like Apple and Amazon really just chilling. You see Facebook, even Facebook moved a little bit down, 1.27%. But other than that, the big boys, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, those guys are moving up slowly. Like you see Apple going up to basically $2.5 trillion market cap. That's crazy, man. Just look at that. We basically hit 52-week high today, I think, maybe. 149.57. Yeah, that's a 52-week high right there. We've seen 52-week high in Apple today. What about Amazon? What's the 52-week high? 30,773. Sheesh. When was this? We see no. Amazon yesterday hit 52-week high. Wow. But yeah, right now we're gonna just sell puts, and then once we lower our margin, we're gonna keep selling puts, and we're gonna use that income that we're making from selling puts and slowly buy some shares in the stocks that we like. Tattooed Chef under 20 bucks is a freaking steal. Corsair, I'm down on this one, so as long as I'm down, I'm gonna want to average down into it. This is gonna take a long time, guys. Gonna take a long time. I know it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take years and years to build out my portfolio the way I want it to be built out. Every 2 weeks, I'm prepared to deposit $400, and $400 every 2 weeks is gonna slowly add up over time. The goal for me by the end of the year is to have 50K in this portfolio, and it's right now it's July 14th, I think, or July 15th. Yeah, July 14th. So we're a little bit past halfway point. We need to have $15,025 into this portfolio to get it to 50K by the end of the year. If there is a stock market correction that happens, we most likely will not be able to make it, which would be tough, because then the goal for next year is to break 100,000. That's going to be a tough one to do. That is going to be a tough one to do, 2022, to break 100K. But this year, 50K, we're a little bit, we need a little bit more than 15,000 to make it. The way we're going to be able to do it is just to add on to these positions, and then whenever we see the opportunity, we buy some more. And right now, I think a good position to get into any stock for me is anywhere from 5 to 10%. So you see NIO is up 40%. That's a big position for me. Shopify 11%, pretty good. Tilray 10%, Tattooed Chef, what is the percentages? Under 3%. See, we need to get that above 5%. We need to get Corsair above 5. Oh, Corsair is already above 5%. We need to get MP Materials more up. Tesla, even Tesla. I don't know. Tesla, I think Tesla long term would be a nice buy. So I think Tesla could be a $1 trillion company soon, one day. But even then, look at this. Look at these gains that you're seeing. It's really slowing down, yeah. And then Dropbox, 45%, man. That's pretty dang good. I mean, will I like to sell some calls on this? No. It's just too good. I'll leave Dropbox alone. I mean, I'm doing pretty good. Even on my call, I'm up 61% on my call. And I'm up 40% on my freaking shares. So in total, I'm up, what is it? Like $800, $800 on this. So that's pretty good for a Dropbox. I don't plan on selling it. I don't plan on selling my call. Maybe I won't even consider selling my call until summer of next year, and to see how Dropbox does until summer of next year. Then I'll start looking at, maybe I'll start selling it some more. Maybe. Maybe I'll start selling my call. I'll probably never sell off my shares. I'll just hold on to them for a long time. I mean, unless it hits like $100. Say Dropbox hits $100 fast, then I'll probably sell it. But other than that, I will not sell it. I'll just leave it alone. But for the option, I'm pretty happy with how my option is doing. I'm up 60% on it, right? 61%. If it can get up to like $1,000 or $1,200, that's good. If I can double my position in this one, I'm happy with it. Like I said, I still won't consider selling this option play until summer. Same thing with NIO. I think NIO, this can hit $67 at least by the end of the year. If not, I've been seeing some other people saying that NIO easily could be worth double than what it is right now. If it's worth double than what it is right now, it would be a market cap of about 140 billion, I think. 140 billion. And it would be a $86 stock at a $140 billion market cap. Do I think it's worth that much right now? Probably, yeah. We have to see how many deliveries they have at the end of July. And then we have earnings. After July, I'm telling you, we might see NIO start moving up fast. August, September, October, we're going to start seeing some movement. And if we see like a freaking 9,000 plus, 9,500 plus, even if we see a 10,000 number, NIO, we're going to start seeing 10,000. We might start seeing 10,000 every month, 10,000 plus. And then what if we see 100K deliveries? If we can see, I believe we're going to see over 90K deliveries for this year. And we can see anywhere close to 100K. Oh boy, NIO is going to start moving up fast. And then next year we might see 200K plus in deliveries. We might even see some profitability next year. Oh my God, I'm telling you. I'm saying at least 60 all-time highs by the end of the year. We're going to break all-time highs at least by the end of the year. And then the next year, we might see $100, $120, maybe $140 by the end of the year. And $140, or let's say 150, right? 150? What is that? What is that going to be? 150 times 500. How much is that? 50,000? 50,000. 160K. I might have 160. Oh, no, 160. What the hell? Oh, let me pull up a calculator real quick. Honest, right now I am freaking brain dead. Let me pull out the calculator real quick. What is 150 times 500, man? I'm freaking brain dead right now. 75,000. 75,000. I'll have a $75,000 in equity in NIO if it hits $150. If it ever hits $150. I mean, that's pretty goddamn good. I mean, long term, I think NIO is a $200+ stock. That's at least 100,000 equity in this by itself. I'm happy with that, and that will easily reach our goal just in with Neo by itself, and that's just Neo. And I still have Shopify, Tilray, all these babies right here. Imagine whenever they legalize cannabis, Tattoo Chev is already doing big moves. Corsair, all these babies are undervalued. Tesla, come on. Ethereum, I think Ethereum can double up easily by the end of the next year. Could even triple or quadruple up. And I would like to have my position set before that. And then we're just going to be rolling once we get our margin all the way down. Once we have our margin all the way down, we are going to be rolling nicely. We're going to be in a position of power. We're going to have money to take advantage of any dips. And whenever we see dips, that's when you start putting in money in the market, making lots and lots of money. We have not been able to do that yet, but we are slowly getting there. We need to get our margin down under 10K. We can do that, and then the market's still going up. We can keep building our cash, keep selling some puts, and then boom, we'll be ready to take advantage and buy shares whenever we can. Like today was a nice time to buy shares, but you know what? I wasn't able to do so. I mean, if I could have just got like 10 shares of each baby, these babies are long-term buys. I mean, you just want to keep building up your share count so eventually you can start selling calls. Whenever we can start selling calls, that's just going to be beautiful. Imagine having a few hundred shares of Tesla right now and you could just sell some calls, some monthly calls. August 13th, right? You sell some calls. I mean, I don't think that Tesla will hit 750 or 750 bucks. I mean, you can make $1,000 a month just from holding. That's pretty goddamn good. Pretty goddamn good.